Hi, my name is Christian and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Projoint Plus before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Projoint Plus is, be careful about the website you are going to buy it from, because Projoint Plus is only sold on the official website. To help you, I have left the official website link below in the description of this video. If you have doubts whether Projoint Plus actually works, the answer is yes. Projoint Plus does work, and after much lab testing, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that aids in joint repair, support, and flexibility. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Projoint Plus, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that every body reacts in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I say this to be honest about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Projoint Plus for 30 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Projoint Plus to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. You can take one capsule with each breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or else you won't see great results. You can see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. It is also important for you to know, Projoint Plus has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful what website you are going to buy Projoint Plus from, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Don't forget to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you. I also hope that Projoint Plus does indeed help you greatly improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Bye bye, see you.